Hello guys, welcome to this podcast Design Life. My name is Serve Micha, I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today we are going to talk about design, skills and investment. Let's get started. Today I'm going to share you industrial designers I discover on YouTube. Number 1. Sketch a Day is a great channel about industrial design sketching and drawing. Spencer is an industrial designer, and in this YouTube channel, he shows you how to draw vehicle, robot, products. I think Spencer is a pretty interesting designer and he learns you a lot. He helps you to improve your sketch and drawing, mastering and technicals. Every single day I learn so much with him. Number 2. If you are interested by cars, I recommend you in this YouTube channel, Burke Kaplan Designer. He teaches you everything about car design, sketching, portfolio, softwares, tools. He has full tutorials and more. His content is amazing if you are crazy about cars and about industrial design. Number 3. Jimmy Design offers you instructional videos about industrial design. If you want to learn about technical skills, in this YouTube channel, there is all you need to start you off with a successful industrial design career. Number 4. Sam Does Design. Sam Does Design was my first industrial design channel I discovered on YouTube. This content is pretty interesting too. Sam is an industrial designer. He breaks down this design process in videos including tutorials, walkthroughs, and how-tos. He shares his thoughts on the wider world of design and he gives you many tips. I love this YouTube channel. Number 5. Will Gibbons. Will Gibbons is an industrial designer. He teaches you with tutorials how to do rendering, animations, and more. Number 6. Product Design Maker. Product Design Maker has an interesting content about industrial design. If you want to improve your industrial design skills, and if you want to reach the next level, this channel gives you the tools and confidence you need to apply for your dream job. You'll find anything you need right here. Number 7. Design Theory. Design Theory is a channel about teaching you actionable and useful design types. He is focused on industrial design. He covers things like portfolio reviews, products, design analysis, design principles, etc. Number 8. This YouTube channel, Luciano Bove Car Designer, is for you if you love cars and drawing. Luciano Bove is a professional car designer and ex-design teacher. His content is about live sketching car session, many drawing cars video tutorials, car sketch and design talks, video about real inside designers' professional life. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about industrial design, skills and investment, you can comment below. Stay safe, bye!